Every single day, millions of people wake up and do exactly what they were told to do. They get ready for work. They punch in. They trade their hours for a paycheck. And somewhere in between those long commutes and short weekends, they dream of freedom. Financial freedom. They look at the lives of the rich, the cars, the vacations, the houses. And they whisper to themselves, someday, I'll get there. But most never do. Because the truth is, 99% of people will never get rich. Not because they aren't capable, but because they've been programmed not to be. 1. The illusion of security. From the moment you're a child, the system tells you what to do. Go to school, get good grades, find a safe job, save your money. It sounds responsible. It feels safe. But here's the problem. It's not designed to make you rich. It's designed to make you reliable. You spend your best years working for someone else's dream while convincing yourself that one day you'll live yours. But that one day never comes. Because the path you were given was never meant to lead to wealth, only stability. Security is the illusion that traps the 99%. Because when you play it safe, you stop taking risks that lead to freedom. The 1% understand something most people don't. Security isn't freedom. Ownership is. 2. The comfort trap. The world rewards comfort. Fast food, streaming, credit cards. Buy now, pay later. Everything around you is built to make you feel good now and pay for it later. Most people spend their lives avoiding discomfort, and that's exactly why they stay broke. The rich, on the other hand, understand that discomfort is the price of progress. They take risks. They fail. They learn. And they use every lesson to build something new. The 99% look for shortcuts. The 1% look for systems. 3. The debt spiral. Debt isn't evil, but ignorance is. The 99% borrow money to buy liabilities. Cars, clothes, gadgets, things that lose value the moment they're bought. The 1% borrow money to buy assets. Properties, businesses, investments. Things that make them more money over time. The difference? Mindset. Most people use debt to escape discomfort. The wealthy use it to create opportunity. And that's why the average person pays interest for life, while the rich earn it. 4. The money mindset divide. Here's something most people never realize. Money flows to those who respect it. The poor see money as a tool for survival. The middle class sees it as a way to feel secure. But the rich? They see it as a force, something that can multiply when used wisely. The poor work for money. The rich make money work for them. This difference in mindset changes everything. The 99% look at money emotionally. They buy based on how they feel. The 1% use logic. They buy based on what will grow. That's why the rich get richer. Not because of luck, but because of discipline. 5. The time trap. Most people trade time for money. They exchange hours for a paycheck that barely covers their bills. And the moment they stop working, the money stops too. That's not wealth, that's survival. The 1% build systems. They create multiple streams of income. They invest in assets that pay them while they sleep. They understand that time is their most valuable currency. And they spend it creating freedom, not chasing comfort. The poor say, I can't afford it. The rich ask, how can I afford it? One gives up, the other finds a way. So ask yourself, do you want to look rich or be free? Because being rich isn't about fancy cars or designer clothes. It's about control. Control over your time, your decisions, and your future. And that kind of wealth, that's something money alone can't buy.